Listen. They're on. They're not torqued. Eating good tonight. They're not torqued. We didn't have a thing for it, but it looks nice. It's pretty good. All right, I didn't get to pick it up yesterday, but about to head out and pick it up. Shit better come out nice. It's gonna come out nice, I already know, so. I got tires, wheels on, but obviously I need coils fucking bad. Like I'm finna drop this shit maybe 3-4 inches. Like I'm riding monster truck right now, 4x4. Like on bubbly ass wheels, so I'm gonna need coils fucking major, like ASAP. Probably just gonna buy some like eBay cheap ass fucking dog shit ass coils, but yeah, I need that shit bad. Like as soon as possible, nigga, cause I'm over here bouncing like a Baja truck or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like that shit is crazy. But I mean the shit is nice, bro. Once I drop it, it's game over. Wheels on. I mean, I can ride around monster truck and I'm still flexing on every single, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's nice. It's nice. It came out way better than I thought it was. Stretch, boys, like lips showing, everything. Kind of like your girl.
Got him!
Like that's insane. But look at that. Look at that lip. Super stretch. It's gonna debead off the tire. Or off the wheel. Tire will debead. Super stretch. Oh, that drop's gonna be crazy. Yo, why is he flexing on me like this? Like, bro's been, I swear, he's been flexing on me like all his life or something. Like, he's literally sitting here, look at that shit. Literally all over me. Like, bro is slammed. All types of shit. Fucking bazookas out the back and shit. But, yeah, just wait. Next video, I'm coming slammed. On my shit. I'm coming super slammed. I know I needed coils bad, but like, you know, I mean, easy purchase, right? I mean, not leak. I'm not trying to leak anything, but easy purchase, easy, right? So whatever. Fucking cheap ass, eBay ass, 5-star ass, cheap ass, you know, coils. So now I'm be slammed boys, be broken boys. Just fucking slam my shit, break my shit, I don't give a fuck. eBay.